So before we dive in to the practical side of learning how to apply your eyeliner, I want to take this opportunity to also teach you what type of eyeliner textures are out there that you would be able to use. Let's begin. There is a variety of eyeliner textures that are out there that you can use. For example, gel, powder, liquid, and pencil. Now, all of these eyeliners will offer you a specific look and also a duration. For example, if you want to wear an eyeliner and you're going to be dancing or it's going to be very hot, then you're better off going with either a liquid waterproof eyeliner or a gel eyeliner because it will hold on much better. If you decide to choose a pencil as an eyeliner, make sure that it's waterproof, especially if you're applying it on your upper lash, because if not, it will transfer and start to crease. Powder eyeliner is amazing. To use a powder eyeliner, you would just use an angled brush and your favorite eyeshadow and just create an eyeliner. This is something that will give you a very subtle look, and depending on how you apply it, it might last really well, or sometimes it might just wear off. So make sure you always apply a primer before applying anything on your face. Liquid eyeliners are amazing, and there are a variety of different texture liquid eyeliners. My favorite type is the one that comes in kind of like a pen shape, and it's kind of like a little marker. I love using the tattoo one from Kate Von D Cosmetics. I love the application. It really applies super well, even if you're not applying a lot of pressure, which means it allows you to be more precise in creating the eyeliner or any art that you feel like creating. You also have eyeliners that are liquid that will come with a little pot on the side and the little top that comes off. Those are generally a little bit more liquidy, so make sure that you can master how to apply the eyeliner, because if not, you will find yourself cleaning up after that mess. And I also want you to take into consideration the quality of your eyelids. If you have eyelids that are more texturized, then maybe a liquid eyeliner might not be good for you. You can opt for gel if you want to have a nice darker look, or you can use pencil or crayon. Another eyeliner texture you can use is gel. In order to use a gel eyeliner, you would need to have an angled brush. Now make sure that when you're buying an angled brush, if you are using it for eyeliner, for it to be really thin and compact, because this is going to allow to pick up enough product for you to create a precise line. Choosing an angle brush that is thin and slick will allow you to achieve a perfect eyeliner when you are using the gel texture. If you feel like adding some spunk to your makeup, you want to take it to another level, don't feel shy to use a glitter eyeliner. You can use it alone as your eyeliner only, so you will just create a beautiful line of glitter right over your lash line, or you can do your eyeliner and then just add a little line on top of it to emphasize the eyeliner you created. Those are so fun to use, and they're super forgiving because it's just glitter. You can find them in different textures and also in different colors. So feel free to have fun. Now, we talked about what goes on top of our eyes. We also can use eyeliner in our waterline, which is that little line that we have right before our bottom lashes, your waterline. In your waterline, you can use the classic black, but now there is a variety of different colors that you can use. If you want to create a beautiful natural look, you can use anything from white to a white pink to a beige in your waterline. What that will do is make your eye appear bigger and brighter. But it doesn't end there. You can also have fun and just vamp up your makeup by adding a simple colored eyeliner in your waterline, like blue, green, purple, whatever you feel that would add a little bit of spunk. When you are purchasing your eyeliner pencil, make sure you take into consideration a few things. Do your eyes leak a lot? Do you have oily eyelids? If you do, I would recommend waterproof. A gel texture has great durability as well and will be highly pigmented. If you don't feel like applying a a full-on eyeliner on top of your eyelid, you can do something called tight lining, which basically means that you will use any eyeliner product that you choose to have, and you will simply take that product and fill in the lash line. That will create an appearance of having an eyeliner effect within your lash line, making it a bit bolder and making your eye shape stand out. I have given you so many options on what type of textures you can use for eyeliners. However, the biggest thing to take into consideration, apart from choosing those products, is to see the shape of your eye. Not all eyes can take a very big, long winged eyeliner, and some of them can. So make sure you explore and you practice. Like that, you can determine what type of eyeliner shape suits you the best. The goal of an eyeliner is to emphasize your eyes and bring them to life. And with all the tips and tricks that I shared with you, I really hope you take the time to discover them for yourself.